Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I make DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos here on my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing two unique Christmas DIY gift ideas that you can gift to your family and friends, and they're all going to love it. These gifts are super pretty, unique and also very affordable. So let's begin with DIY number 1. And also, if you enjoy watching today's video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And let's begin. For the first DIY, I'm making a metal potpourri cage gift, and I had this metal house shape wall hanging with me, and it can be used to put little decor pieces on it, and then you can hang it on the wall. But I'm going to try something very different altogether with this, and you can still hang it on the wall because of the clamps that comes at the behind of it. So first I'm going to wrap metal wired fairy lights around it. These fairy lights come with copper metal wire also, and also with the normal white metal. You can also use normal black metal wires or floral wires of whatever color you have. Really depends like what kind of look do you want to have. You can go for a fully gold look, or you can even go for a copper look. It will look great as well. And I already wanted a metallic look, so I'm just taking this normal fairy lights with the wire on it. I wrapped the fairy lights all around the house and glued it with the help of hot glue at several places, and this makes the wire really secure. Next, I took some potpourri in the colors hot pink and teal blue, and these are great for my current theme of decor, but definitely you can take the traditional Christmas colors of red and green. And this potpourri has amazing smell, but still I'm going to sprinkle some essential oil to it. You can choose whatever fragrance you like. You can choose from citrus, eucalyptus and lemongrass, peppermint, whatever you prefer or whatever your family or friends prefer. And the next is to fill up the entire house with potpourri. With a very light hand, I'm just putting the potpourri pieces randomly into the house, and once the house was completely full with the potpourri pieces, I wrapped it once again with the metal fairy lights so that it is nicely secure and it looks like a cage, and it is filled up with potpourri pieces. Next, to give my house a little bit of more glam and festive touch, I glued some mirror pieces to it, and this reflects the light really nicely and creates a nice glow around the potpourri pieces. And here's my metal cage potpourri house. It smells amazing and looks really pretty. So here is my first gorgeous DIY gift idea, and anyone who loves light and prefers nice aroma will love this gift and would love to receive any kind of unique gift like this. So yeah, I would be really happy if I get to receive something like this as a Christmas gift. I just thought I could have colored the metallic wires with black paint so that it looks more like a cage, because my outer rim of the cage, the house, is black color. So yeah, I'm going to try coloring it, and also I'll just make it more festive by adding a ribbon bow on top. And yeah, that's almost done. As it is, it's looking really pretty. Today I'm participating in the Small Creators Sunday Challenge, and it is hosted by Tiffany from Rogal Aesthetics, and her co-host for today is Favi from Arrows DIY. Both of them are amazing creators, and I have linked their channels along with the playlist in the description box below. For the next DIY, I took a wooden coaster. It is an MDF coaster, and I wanted to make a snowflake on it, and for that I started with the base. For the base, I used white and blue chalk paint. I mixed them together and created this really cool icy blue color. It looks really sweet color. And then I wanted to create a snowflake, and for that I took small mirror pieces. You can see I'm just gluing the mirror pieces in the shape of snowflake. I took the round ones, the very small round ones, and then the diamond shape to create the sharp ends of the snowflake. So this is how it is looking. I am really liking it. Now comes the fun part. I'm going to cover this coaster with resin. Yes, I'm going to make it into a resin coaster, and for that I have used one part of resin and one part of hardener. That is a 1 to 1 ratio of both the resin and the hardener. And here I have mixed the resin and the hardener, 10 ml of each, and I'm going to pour it really nicely over my coaster. As you can see over here that I have mixed the resin fast, but I did it rather slowly because mixing the resin really fast makes it full of bubbles. But here I have fast forwarded the video, so you can see that it is done really fast, but in reality I have done it really slowly with a very light hand to avoid bubbles. And then with the popsicle stick I'm just going to spread the resin all over, covering all the nooks and crannies, because this has the mirror pieces, so I just want everything to be covered with resin. And I also popped whatever bubbles I found again, and I let the resin dry for 2 days. I covered it nicely with a transparent bowl so that I can see if it is getting dry properly, and also to protect it from any kind of dust, because any kind of dust can fall and make marks on the resin. And next I'm going to make a gift basket, and for that I have taken this mason jar and I have filled it up with hot chocolate. And this hot chocolate is in pink color. Yeah, this was a really unique flavor, vanilla and some other white chocolate flavor, so it is in pink color. I got it at the time of Halloween, so they had different colors for it, and I'm going to tie twine all around it. And anyone who likes pink colors, girls or small girls or ladies, will really like this beautiful hot chocolate jar. And to decorate it a little bit more, I'm adding ferns and these small holly berries on top, and I'm going to glue these with the help of hot glue gun. And now I'm going to fill the basket with some of the goodies that I just brought. To decorate the basket, I started filling it up with some shredded paper in pink color, and then I adjusted the hot chocolate mason jar to one side, a very small and tiny cute little drinking cup. And I'm just going to put the cup, adjusting it in the basket. And also this little coaster that I made, this little coaster is already dry. It looks really pretty, and this is a unique hamper to anybody who likes to drink hot chocolate. I decorated the hot chocolate mason jar with a little snowflake on top, and this is how my cute little mason jar hamper is looking, with a tiny jar of hot chocolate decorated with ferns and holly berries, a very cute little drinking cup, and a very pretty coaster. Anyone who likes these kind of unique gifts would just love to receive something like this. So yeah, these were the two unique DIY gifts that are within budget. You can DIY them for your friends or for your picky friends who would like to have something different. And let me know how you like both of them and which out of the two was your favorite. Thanks a lot for watching, all of you, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, and happy holidays.